Hey YouTube, and welcome back to the Sneaky V YouTube channel. Last time I left you guys, which was today, I haven't left this place at all. I was getting my valve covers installed. I had already got the water pump installed, the push rods, and all of that stuff. So the next thing that I want to do is get my accessory mounts installed, and that is these guys here. These are Holley. They're just like Holley accessory mounts. This one is for the power steering pump and the alternator, and it just kind of goes on the side like this. Fits right here. So, with 4 bolts. This is a multiple piece kit, and this is just like one side of it. There's another piece over there that holds the air conditioner compressor on, and tensioner pulley goes around here somewhere. So I'm gonna get these on, and these are, I believe, well, now I know, 15 millimeter size bolts, and they torque down to, take a guess, 18 foot-pounds. So let me get these guys on here first, and then I can torque them down. You know what? Let's do this. Wrong way. So, got those on. That'll get them torqued down. And it's about to start raining where I am. So, get this set to 18 foot-pounds. I don't know if you guys can hear that thunder, but I should be fine. 18, 18, 18, and 18. Now this piece is a little bit trickier. As you can see, I got my instructions here. So I got the mount on, and I guess the next thing that goes on is my power steering pump. If I can find it, it's in one of these boxes around here. Here. Power steering pump, it has a little reservoir already connected to it. Let's see, how does this guy go on? And he might be a little bit troublesome since the power steering pump shown doesn't actually have the reservoir included. So I wonder if I can remove the reservoir and just stick it on there with just a pump here. So it actually goes in there like that. But with the reservoir on there, it's not going to fit. So what I need to do is remove the reservoir and get myself one of those reservoir relocation kits. So I'm gonna get this reservoir off of this pump, and I'll get back with you guys. So I got the reservoir removed from my power steering pump. I'm gonna have to order or find like somewhere around here the reservoir relocation kit that allows you to place it somewhere else because it wouldn't fit in here. But anyways, basically the power steering pump just kind of like fits right into this little area right here, just like that. And it has this bracket that goes, let's see, just like this. And it's secured with both these bolts here. This is going to be the longest one. No, it's not. Let's see. These are M8 bolts, so some of these in here, I guess. They gave me a bunch of bolts in a bag, but they didn't necessarily say which ones went where. So I'm actually kind of guessing a little bit here with some of them. But these would be the ones that match up to it, so let's see if I can get this guy on. So it goes around top like that. This one goes here. And this one goes here. And the two short ones go here and here. So the power steering pump has a total of 4 bolts holding it on, 2 long and 2 short. Let's get these guys tightened down real quick. They should be the same size as the other ones. No, a little bit smaller. It is now raining. So let's get these guys tightened down. So these shorter 2 bolts kind of act like they don't want to go in. And I'm not going to force them. That one's a through hole, so it shouldn't go in. But this one's a little bit shorter, so probably this one. Yeah. And let's swap this other one out for a shorter one too. So I'm sure I had one. So that one actually does it. Go there. And these do. So the power steering pump is on. Let's see how far it torques down. So the M8s. The M10s, which are these bigger ones, torque down to 36 foot-pounds, and these smaller boats down here torque down to 18 foot-pounds. So let's get that done real quick. Alright, power steering pump is on. What's next? The idler spacer. I have one of those around here somewhere. Or the idler pulley. This guy. Idler pulley. And has this washer thing that goes behind it, or spacer. Here it is. It kind of goes right behind it. And the screws is right here. And it is a M10 boat, so it gets 36 foot-pounds. Yeah, this rain is going to come down. Here. I don't like the way that felt. And I want to pull out any threads, because that's what it looks like precisely what it's doing. I'll get rid of that guy, because it worked out even better. raining really hard right outside that door there. So anyway, the instructions say to tighten the M10 bolts to 36 foot-pounds, but it seems like if I tighten it that tight, it's going to pull the threads out of this piece of aluminum here. So I'm just not going to tighten it that tight. This is kind of an expensive piece, and I don't want to destroy it. So I'm not. Pretty simple. But I am going to take this little piece off right here. What's up with that? Doesn't need it. And so one of the idler for these is on. And that's about as tight as I dare take it. So what's this? So what's actually going to happen here is that I'm going to attempt to get my power steering pulley onto my power steering pump. But for some reason around this time my camera decided to stop recording. So in the end I didn't manage to get that pulley on, but you guys won't see that in the video. So I'm gonna end this video here by saying be sure to send your friends my way because I could use the watchers. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you would so that you can see more of my videos. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.